This is swoops, dips, drags, dupes, and swoops. The dupes. We did some more draggy stuff. Everyone still needs to work on this a little bit. The second you get here, it's here. We have a little bit of this. You remember this one, Val?
Yes.
This is very common.
Yeah. You'll get really close here, which is great, but you really want to like have that
kind of line up on that side of the body there. So work on that, and then we worked on going versus stopping real quick. So remember, you're taking steps, you gotta be going somewhere. This stopping step, that's gotta feel different. That's gotta be a bit of a stop, a little kickstand behind you either. So I'm going, stopping, and then I move up to get up there. Then we did the turning. We did a little tuck turn. Rock step, come here, bam, boom, boom, bam, that's the deal. So then we did swoopies. Let's do it like this so they can see. We have like nice firm frame, not from the shoulders like this, dropping the shoulders out a little bit, but having a lot of firmness, still frame, and then moving our bodies. Rock step. Big thing for the followers that I felt was the followers tended to turn around too soon, and Val really waits and lets me turn her around each time. And then many followers were pushing out to find connection or lifting up, and I want you to, and tipping, yes, and I want you to hold your frame a little more back to yourself. Just good practice to get this, and we'll do it in a less practicing way next week. Did leaders do anything funny with you?
Yeah, leaders is just like finding that balance between not doing too much, but having enough to like catch the forward momentum.
Most of the leading is this.
Yes.
And then the connection stays here, and the same amount of energy moves from side to side. Like the energy moves, and my hands don't move as much. Show it one more time, kind of diagonal, yeah? So, rock step. Again, that'll be really lame to do in a dance probably, but as a practice, really helpful. Get some practice. See you next week.